That made me drool. Oh, I need some of my latte.
Not that bad.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're in Ibiza. Wait. Today we're in Ibiza.
A few moments later.
Yeah. What? Come on, he called me. I was in my bed, and my mama sorry. Hey y'all, so we just came from like 4 different clubs, and Tassie, mind you, this is Tassie's birthday trip. Her birthday is on Tuesday, today is Sunday, and she's lit. Hey y'all, so you know we at the pool. Yeah. It really is. Hold on, let me show you. They're nice looking. How this is a bird. What we got planned for today?
We're going on a boat party.
We're going on a boat party.
It's 3 hours long, so
It's a 3-hour boat party.
yeah. So
Open bar.
There's no getting out of it. Like,
She gonna be drunk. I'm not getting that drunk. She gonna be drunk though. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get there. Bye. Alright y'all, so we in a car. And we might be late for this boat party. I blame Tassie. Oh, fine. I'm gonna blame. You gonna blame Tim? It's Tim's fault. Yeah, it's Tim's fault. But we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. So we end up making it. And you can see the boat. Sorry, I see the boat, but I think they see it.
I'm on a boat and...
But yeah, we about to see how it is.
Soltanto 2 color, girando per lo stivale intero, la Juve è sempre...
I only wish I knew what he was saying.
Non canta più!
Anyways, y'all, we made it, and yeah,
We got that drink
we
in my
made it.
cup.
And we about to see what this is talking about. I see what it's talking. Oh, I got crust. Y'all was gonna tell me I got crust in my eye. So we made it to dinner.
Yo.
Yeah, and it's really nice. Like, look at it. Yeah, my feet hurt. What's there, y'all? Look at this damn menu. That right there looks like it hit. got this little, ooh, bug is flying on me. We got this little pink little place. Let me show y'all what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. Huh? How you doing? That's so cute.
After I you don't worry and okay.
Hey y'all, so don't do me, because that was last year August where I took that trip to Ibiza. But in the next clip, you about to see my trip in December for Jamel's birthday, and these are what, August, September, October, November, 4 months apart. So next clip. You talk.
We in Tenerife, nigga. You feel me?
The light is not for black people over there.
We in Tenerife.
Where is that at? They don't know where that at.
That's in Spain, the Canary Islands.
Yeah.
You know.
And we are here for his birthday. His birthday is on Sunday. Today is Friday. Yeah. And
Hey, really about it, nigga. We just
got here today.
Yeah, we just got some little
Dak and little Mar.
You know what I'm saying?
Marjorie.
Little Margie.
Yeah, I'm gonna attempt the vlog, and if this is a flop, then
You'll never see it.
you'll never see it.
So we might just be talking for no reason right now.
Right. Okay. Bye.
This is parte número 2 en ese blog. Papagayo Club. Yes, sí. Papagayo Club.
Anyway, what he said was this is our second part of the vlog. We at Papagayo Club, and it's low-key ass, but we VIP, so we staying. Yeah.
I mean, niggas is tired as shit.
I'm sleepy.
We got like 4 hours of sleep or something like that, man. But
We outside, and we gotta be up at like 8.
we outside.
We gotta be up at 8. We gotta be up at 8 for something we got going on in the morning. I might vlog, I might not. I don't know.
I think they can hear us.
It's loud. Anyway, I keep saying anyway, but I don't got shit else to say. Ooh, I can rhyme all day. Nigga, I do not play. I do hair better than Tay.
Cause I do hair better than Tate.
Ooh,
Nigga, you already know today is the day.
ooh.
Tonight is the night. I fly like a kite. My bad.
Hey guys, it's the next day and we are ATV riding.
Mountains, somewhere. I don't even know it's gonna be for real.
I think it's Mountain Type.
Teide is the highest mountain in Spain. first highest volcano in Europe and third in the world, guys. So, if you think that we are in a very small island, you can understand how it's steep, this island. Very steepy island.
They might have a curve. Guys, this is the I don't know.
Hey y'all, this is the volcano. We're in the middle of a crater, a volcanic crater. What's it called? Tayid.
Tayid.
And
I don't remember that one.
we got the way. Can they see it? Is that the?
Yeah,
that's one of them. That's one of the
There's
volcanoes.
both of them in there.
Oh,
Tayid.
yeah, you're right.
And then that's
Kick your finger. These volcanoes. And we in the middle of a crater. Okay. Bang. Okay, y'all. I'm trying to get lit now and about to go out for his birthday. Well, his birthday tomorrow, but
bad man.
so we taking shots. We're using teacups because we ain't got no shot glasses. It's okay.
Are you insane?
This is it's not us. This is us before any shots, but we had a drink. This is us after one shot.
Stupid ass.
This is could have more.
Nigga, I poured it like that on purpose. I ain't crazy, man.
Come on, stop stalling. This is us after 2 shots. Actually, it's really us after 1 shot because he poured half shots. He talking about he want to get effed up, but don't want to drink none. That makes sense.
Like yours.
That was a lot. That was that was a lot. Get those stickers. Woo! This is us. This is us after 2 shots.
I'm retiring from liquor, bro. That's serious. Dead ass.
Okay, goodbye. Yeah, this is us after a couple of drinks. That's it.
But what you talking about?
This us after a couple of drinks.
Nigga say gracias because we be on the gracias like a Rastafari.
Well, but what country speak I'm about to say what country speak gracias? Yeah, what country drinks Spain? What
I told you that one over there.
I was about to say what country drinks Spain. I'm gonna say what country speaks Spain. What country talk?
Bro, what are you talking about right now? Yeah.
Country speaks Spain. I mean Spanish.
Spain. Like, where are you going with it?
Y'all, what country speaks Spain?
Gracias.
I'ma wait for y'all to answer. Apple martini. They got applesauce in the shit.
That's weird.
Spain, y'all. That's the answer. Anyway, this is us after probably like 4 shots and 4 drinks.
How the beat gonna drop? Cut it. DJ D-Rec. Cut the beat.
I will. I'm a goofy. And it's my birthday. Woo! Okay. Over there being fat getting Snickers. Eating Snickers, ass nigga. I was kind of loud saying that. The island is. Can you see that? Where island at? Hold on, I don't know. There you go. I said you Snickers, ass. I'm crying. All right. I got snot in my nose.
You better upload this part.
Leave me alone. All right, rate today 1 out of 10. Today.
Rate today?
Yeah, today.
Good 8.
Good 8. Good 8.
Yeah,
Good by yesterday.
Yesterday about a 9. 9, 10, 9, 10.
But I still got. Okay, Nick. Yep.
You know what saying something, man.
Hey, get that. Hey. Ooh. Moto.
I like them big. I like them chunky.
I like it, I like it juicy. I like it, I like it. Moto.